Hey guys! Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, a reliable and sturdy welding helmet is a must-have in your gear closet. Not only is it essential for your safety, but having the right helmet also makes your work easier. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best welding helmets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best welding helmets. The 5th product on our list is the Miller Electric Digital Elite. If you are looking for a reliable welding helmet with auto-darkening features, then the Miller Electric Digital Welding Helmet might be the perfect fit. It reduces the risk of exposure to the harmful light generated by the welding process and allows greater adaptability to various environments. It is an exceptionally lightweight helmet coming in at 1.12 pounds, making it one of the lightest welding helmets available on the market. It is particularly useful in situations where you have to work for an extended time. Its lightweight build allows for more freedom of movement and comfort while working. The Miller Electric Digital Elite ships with 5 outside and 2 inside cover lenses and a helmet bag. It also offers 4 different operating modes, which include Weld, Cut, Grind, and X mode. You'll be delighted by the intuitive design of its digital controls. It features large push buttons to make it easier for you to adjust the settings or the mode used. The viewing area is sufficiently large, coming in at 9 square inches. Aside from that, this welding helmet comes with a few added bells and whistles. The specially designed headgear of Miller Electric Digital Elite provides you with the perfect fit and long-lasting durability. It comes with lithium batteries that offer the much-needed power to see with clarity even in cloudy weather. Its pros are, it has lens covers included. It provides superior clarity when welding. The viewing angle is adequately wide, and it comes with long-lasting batteries. However, the cons are, it can get a bit uncomfortable over time, and it is a bit on the expensive side. It doesn't matter if you're a novice, a hobbyist, or a professional, the Miller Electric Digital Elite is an excellent welding helmet that allows you to work better. It has functionality and reliability all in one package. Up next in the 4th place is Jackson Safety 46131. The Jackson Safety 46131 is another top pick in the welding helmet space. When it comes to pure functionality, this helmet goes toe-to-toe with the other more expensive options. It comes with high-end options such as the auto-darkening filters, which let you adapt to different working environments by adjusting the lens's shade and sensitivity. This welding helmet brings safety and efficiency to the table with its smart filters that protect the eyes from intense welding glare. It also comes with easy-to-use digital controls so that you can work efficiently and with precision. When it comes to the performance-to-price ratio, the Jackson Safety 46131 might take the cake. It gives you all the high-tech elements of a superior performance welding lens without the high price tag. The clarity of the lens is an excellent advantage. It's significantly better than most lenses which have low optical quality. You can see everything that's happening across the whole process of a welding project. Some helmets have a good pre-darkening vision or a good mid-weld vision, but this helmet enables you to see clearly the entire time. Sounds like a deal, doesn't it? Its versatility makes it suitable for all kinds of work environments. It is compatible with the HSL 100 and the HLX 100 shells, giving you more value for your investment. Another plus that this helmet offers is that it is CSA compliant. It is also made of durable materials, so it will last you for a fair while. Its pros are, it offers excellent value for your money. It is a comfortable headgear. Its lightweight feel means that you won't get a sore neck or want a rest from wearing it. It comes with a top quality wide lens, and it is suitable for gas tungsten, arc, or TIG welding. However, it is made of thin shell material. perfect for industrial use and hobbyists out there, the Jackson Safety 46131 has an excellent blend of clear vision, comfort, and all-around shielding range. The third product on our list is the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350. Offering heavy-duty performance, the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 Code Red is one of the most cutting-edge and innovative helmets available on the market. The first of its many unique features is that it comes equipped with top-of-the-line 4C lens technology. It will vastly improve your experience as it will let you see with unrivaled clarity, especially when using the grind setting. Another fun thing is that the Viking 3350 ships with a bandana and is also equipped with the solo power option. You get 2 outside and 5 inside cover lenses as well as a helmet bag. Aside from that, it is also hard hat compatible. A pivoting helmet, the Viking 3350 allows you to move freely as it adjusts to your movements for better adaptability. This welding helmet is very well made and lightweight, so it remains comfortable even for extended use. The helmet includes padding and dynamically adjustable straps to provide you all the comfort and adaptability that you might need. Its pros are, it is lightweight. It uses 4C lens technology for better clarity. It has a wide viewing window, and the pivot style helps with better adaptability. However, it is a bit on the expensive side. Offering high-quality performance, comfort, and excellent value for money, the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 is a perfect aid to increase productivity. The second product on our list is the Hobart 770-890 Impact Welding Helmet. If you're looking for a dependable helmet with all the latest features, it's difficult to beat the Hobart 770-890. This helmet is designed with the leading LCD technology to protect your eyes each time the arc begins to flash. It has 4 sensors to control the auto-darkening feature. The Hobart helmet gets its power supply from a CR2450 lithium battery. It also comes with ratcheting headgear that you can adjust. Hobart 770-890 is suitable for TIG welding. Welding in the 5 to 10 amp range can be done with ease as well. With shade levels adjustable from 8 to 13, Hobart provides excellent low light ability for all types of welding. The automatic on feature is triggered when the helmet is exposed to light. Now add the incredible 1/25,000th of a second reaction time into the mix, and it's easy to see why this helmet is one of the best out there. While the metal is heating up, you want to keep a cool head. The super light design and comfortable headgear make this helmet a treat to use. You will be able to breathe and sweat won't disrupt your viewing lens. Its pros are, it is affordable. It provides excellent shade variability for any light conditions, and the great ventilation makes it incredibly comfortable. However, the headgear is a bit complicated to set up for proper fit. With its advanced features and comfort, the Hobart 770-890 Impact Welding Helmet offers everything you practically need without breaking the bank. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top welding helmet is the 3M Speedglass 9100. 3M uses the Speedglass name on several different welding helmets, such as the 9100. Though it does cost more than some other helmets you might consider, the Speedglass 9100 has features such as auto-darkening filter technology that makes it a winner. This is a helmet that you can wear when MIG and TIG welding and with stick welding applications too. The Speedglass 9100 comes with an extra large window on the front that holds the auto-darkening filter in place. You'll find 2 more windows on the sides that expand your field of vision and let you see the metal that you need to weld, your tools, as well as people who might be close by. You can easily see straight in front of you and from the corner of your eye. With the locked in feature, you can lock the shade level that you want too. The shade selection is another top feature of the Speedglass 9100. Level 5 is the lowest level available and is suitable for jobs that require grinding. You can choose from 8 through 13 shades and use the lock-in feature to make sure that the helmet uses that level until you select a different shade. The filter and comfort mode on this helmet work together to reduce eye strain. Not only does this let you work faster without squinting, but it also ensures that your eyes don't feel tired at the end of the day. For extra comfort, this helmet offers padded headband and crown straps. The crown straps adjust to customize the helmet's fit, while the headband reduces the pressure of the helmet on your head. It also has an ergonomic design with a ratchet system that lets it fit to your head shape. Its pros are, the adjustable design lets you customize the helmet for your head. It includes 5 shades on the side windows and multiple shades on the filter. It enhances and extends your total field of vision. It significantly reduces the risk of eye damage, and it includes numerous features that make the helmet more comfortable. However, this helmet does not include side windows. Though you can get a magnifying lens, a lens is not included. The 3M Speedglass 9100 is one of the more popular welding helmets around. Though it's not the prettiest welding helmet on the market, it can take some strain off your neck without interfering with the quality of your work. And that completes our top 5 welding helmets on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video.